a, an, the. Read the sentences and write the correct article, a or an or the, to complete them. A is used before a person or a thing that is singular or countable and is known to the speaker. An is used before words that begin with a vowel and is singular. The is used for a person or a thing that has been spoken about earlier or is easily understood. I have a red ball. I saw an eagle in the sky. An before the word eagle as it begins with a vowel. The before sky, it is not countable and easily understood by all. This is an apple. The word apple begins with a vowel, so use an. The nest has an egg. I see a dog.